Iwa mele ka jowai ubak wailat miki shela haka afnyo tarik mentau benai ula pentip ba ka jowai municipal board kala pelat ya ketendar na ka benda ka jaka ka patmai ha jowai la ban pen gemau ba ka sor jowai kalamat ya sibun ki jing e halol ka jing bret ya kinyut hakini khindiat sngi bladam bat baro ki jabot na sor jowai la warat lut seselong ha ka juk apor ubak wailat miki shela ula pentip lu babun ki pai ba kila penpau ba kila ban ai jaka na ka bentau bantau ya ka jaka the nyut thmai ha jowai khnang ba baro ki jing e jong ka jing the nyut kon no.
As soon as there was a protest from that old side, so from the municipal department we have called this means EOI for the who means like to come forward to for the land field, and then 15 of last month of this month was the last date, and we have got so many lands which so many parties have come up, and then now the scrutiny of the paper is going on. And then once it is final, then we'll send our task force team to check their land, and then we'll buy it, and then.
So, like, how much time it's likely to take? Because this has been a very long pending issue in Malaysia.
Yeah, pending issue means like but since before there was no protest and all, so nothing was done. But as of now, the thing is moving very fast. And I'm quite confident that once we get, because we just need the land. Once we get the land, there's no problem, because from the urban department also they have clearly said that we'll buy the land. So now, because we already, the tender already has been called, the party already has come, and then it just need that, because we need to, the task force team has to go, and then all the means like the department has to give their assent on it. And then once we finalize on that, then we can take the land.
So how many locations have been proposed?
As of now, I cannot tell you that, because since the last time I spoke, I think quite a number of land of people who have come forward to offer their land, but exactly I cannot tell you that.
So for now, to understand the issue, what is the temporary setup that is there? Where are people? Where is this garbage being dumped, and what is the situation?
No, because like last time, I think if you remember, because we had a settlement with that the old land. So all those village means like they agreed that they have we come to agreement that they will allow us for 3 months. So now we are under that 3 months. The second one is going on. So until this 3 months, we can dump in that old garbage, and then even then we already have a separate arrangement also for temporary for dumping of this garbage for temporary. Even now also we have a temporary arrangement also. But I hope that until this we will settle, we won't have any problem.